I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is ARForms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action. GamiPress. Connect. Connected with GamiPress successfully. Next. Choose an action. Choose an enter point. Map the respective fields. I am using custom form fields. You can use a number field on your form field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now create a new user. Go to incognito mode and log into your new site which you recently created. Go to the site post and post a comment. And go to another site and go to comment and approve the comment. Now go to your user's profile, and you can see here after the comment the points balance was added successfully. Thanks for watching.